Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, you will practice 100 powerful English sentences. These sentences will help you speak confidently. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake makes you better. If you practice daily, your English will improve fast. Now, let's begin our speaking journey. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I learned from my mistakes. I learned from my mistakes. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I repeat again and again. I repeat again and again. I am becoming better every day. I am becoming better every day. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I try my best. I try my best. I never give up. I never give up. I love learning new words. I love learning new words. I want to speak fluently. I want to speak fluently. I practice in front of the mirror. I practice in front of the mirror. I record my voice. I record my voice. I check my pronunciation. I check my pronunciation. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I stay positive. I stay positive. I trust myself. I trust myself. I work hard daily. I work hard daily. I learn step by step. I learn step by step. I focus on my goal. I focus on my goal. I improve little by little. I improve little by little. I enjoy the process. I enjoy the process. I speak without fear. I speak without fear. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I start my day with practice. I start my day with practice. I revise old sentences. I revise old sentences. I learn new sentences. I learn new sentences. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today I will practice more. Today I will practice more. Today I will improve. Today I will improve. Today I will speak better. Today I will speak better. I can do this. I can do this. I can learn this. I can learn this. I can speak well. I can speak well. I can understand easily. I can understand easily. I can improve fast. I can improve fast. I can change my life. I can change my life. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. Never lose hope. Never lose hope. Never be afraid. Never be afraid. Never give excuses. Never give excuses. Never quit early. Never quit early. Practice makes me perfect. Practice makes me perfect. Hard work gives results. Hard work gives results. Time will change everything. Time will change everything. Confidence is my power. Confidence is my power. Discipline is my strength. Discipline is my strength. I am calm and relaxed. I am calm and relaxed. I am strong and brave. I am strong and brave. I am learning fast. I am learning fast. I am growing daily. I am growing daily. I am improving daily. I am improving daily. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. I am moving forward. I am moving forward. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. English is easy for me. English is easy for me. English is becoming easy. English is becoming easy. English is my skill. English is my skill. English is my strength. English is my strength. English is my future. English is my future. English opens doors. English opens doors. English gives confidence. English gives confidence. I am ready to speak. I am ready to speak. I am ready to grow. I am ready to grow. I am ready to improve. I am ready to improve. I am ready to practice. I wake up with a smile. I wake up with a smile. I start my day positively. I start my day positively. I plan my day well. I plan my day well. I manage my time wisely. I manage my time wisely. I finish my work on time. I finish my work on time. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I organize my things. I organize my things. I prepare for tomorrow. I prepare for tomorrow. I follow my routine. I follow my routine. I sleep on time. I sleep on time. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. I take care of my health. I take care of my health. I eat on time. I eat on time. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. I exercise daily. I exercise daily. I walk every morning. I walk every morning. I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. I feel fresh now. I feel fresh now. I stay energetic. I stay energetic. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. I choose my words carefully. I choose my words carefully. I speak politely. I speak politely. I listen patiently. I listen patiently. I understand better now. I understand better now. I remember new words. I remember new words. I use new sentences. I use new sentences. I correct my mistakes. I correct my mistakes. I improve my accent. I improve my accent. I am calm inside. I am calm inside. I control my emotions. I control my emotions. I stay focused. I stay focused. I avoid distractions. I avoid distractions. I complete my tasks. I complete my tasks. I finish what I start. I finish what I start. I take responsibility. I take responsibility. I respect my time. I respect my time. I respect others. I respect others. I help people. I help people. I speak kindly. I speak kindly. I think positively. I think positively. I remove negative thoughts. I remove negative thoughts. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. I inspire myself. I inspire myself. I trust the process. I trust the process. I move step by step. I move step by step. I grow every day. I grow every day. I become stronger daily. I become stronger daily. I become wiser daily. I become wiser daily. I face my fears. I face my fears. I overcome challenges. I overcome challenges. I solve problems calmly. I solve problems calmly. I make good decisions. I make good decisions. I choose the right path. I choose the right path. I accept myself. I accept myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I forgive others. I let go of anger. I let go of anger. I keep my mind peaceful. I keep my mind peaceful.